Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make organic whitening soap at home, updated. Start by gathering natural oils, lye or melt and pour base, gentle exfoliant, and whitening botanicals. Measure ingredients precisely and wear proper protection while working with lye or hot soap base. Keep fragrance minimal to test skin tolerance. I will guide you through temperature control, mixing, and curing for safe, effective results you can feel confident using. Combine a balanced oil blend with a mild whitening agent and a gentle exfoliant for an effective soap. Measure each oil by weight and calculate lye precisely if cold process is used. Mix at proper temperatures and fold in botanical extracts slowly to preserve activity. Test pH and allow sufficient curing time to avoid harshness. Keep a small patch sample to ensure no irritation before regular use on the face. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep and ingredient storage easy and tidy, perfect for measured soap portions and wet ingredients. They seal well, stack nicely, and keep counters clean during mixing. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Melt and measure all components, then combine lye solution with oils at matched temperatures to prevent separation. Blend to a light trace, then add whitening extracts and milled exfoliant while stirring gently. Pour into sanitized molds and cover to insulate during saponification. After initial set, unmold and slice, then cure in a dry, ventilated area until hardness and pH are safe. Store finished bars in breathable packaging to preserve quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.